Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android phone is showing a persistent network may be monitored warning, it simply means a custom security certificate or VPN app is installed and potentially filtering your internet traffic. I will show you exactly how to locate and safely remove this to clear the warning right now. Let's get started. First, this warning is actually a built-in Android security feature alerting you that a third-party certificate is active. To check this, open your phone's main settings app and scroll down to the Security or Security and Privacy section. Depending on your specific phone manufacturer, you will need to look for a menu called Encryption and Credentials or Other Security Settings. Once you find that menu, tap on the option labeled Trusted Credentials or View Security Certificates to see what is installed on your device. Next, look at the tabs at the top of the screen and switch from the System tab over to the User tab. The System tab holds verified Google certificates that your phone needs, but the User tab contains the custom ones that actually trigger this warning. If you see any certificates listed here that you do not recognize, simply tap on the certificate name, scroll down to the bottom of the prompt, and select Remove or Uninstall. Doing this will immediately dismiss the persistent network monitoring warning from your notification panel. Finally, it is highly likely that a legitimate application installed that certificate in the first place. Ad blockers, custom VPNs like AdGuard, or corporate work profiles often require custom user certificates to filter your network traffic securely. If you use one of these services, the warning is expected behavior, and removing the certificate will likely break the app's secure web filtering. If you do not want to use those apps anymore and want the warning gone, open your device settings, search for VPN, and disconnect or delete any active profiles you no longer need. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.